Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add a paragraph to our HTML document. How we can add paragraph, line break, and horizontal rule and pre-formatted text feature to HTML document. And so, let's say I love coding, and I like the way Mr. Chike teaches. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead, copy this, paste it several times. We're going to use it for our example. So I'll go ahead and do this, and then I'll go ahead and do this multiple times. Okay, so just paste it, and so now I will reload it. I will preview it in the browser. Now if you do that, now you see all of them are in one place, stacked together. It doesn't really care whether you separated it at different points. Now the first thing I want to do, I want at this point, let the text go to the next line. And so I will just come to that place where I want and do this and put a P. So this is the opening and closing of paragraph. Okay. Then when I do that, let's reload it and see. So you see it has given it a paragraph at that point. And so that's simply how you add a paragraph to HTML document. And another thing I want to show you is a line break, and you will see the difference. At this point, to add line break, use BR. Now you see the difference between line break and paragraph is that line breaks just takes it to the next line, while paragraph adds double space, like the paragraph on a document. So I'll go ahead and reload this. So you see that this thing just came down to this point. I'll undo that again. I'll remove the line break, and so you see it has gone back. I'll bring back the line break. You will see the way it is. So another thing I want to show us now is, now look at this document, look at this section. I typed this here and I want this to show this way. I don't want it to just be line break. I want it to appear the way I typed it. And so you use what they call pre. You are saying leave it the way I formatted it. So I'll copy this and put here. So anything that comes in between the text will be left the way you typed it. And so you see it has left it like that. So even if I added space, let's see what will happen if I add space here. And so you see, but if you don't quote this in the pre tag, it won't, the browser will not understand what you're trying to do. You just think that is so in other words, HTML does not understand white spaces. This space in between here, all this, they are called white spaces. So except you indicate what you want it to do, it's gonna leave it like that. Another thing I want to show you is the horizontal rule. I'll just show you. We use this. You might have seen this on the website, but by adding HR tag, it just adds a line like this. And so that's it about this session of today. What I'm trying to teach you at the end, at this point, is to show you all those things that people can do in MS Word document, to show you how you can use it on a web page. Remember, a page of a book is a book, and you do editing there. So this is a website, the web page, and we can also do editing. Okay, that's it about this. In the next class, I'm going to show you how to create links and link documents from one page to the other.